Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in today's video we are going to see two other types of gates which are nothing but XOR and XNOR gate. Their truth table, symbol and logical representation. So let's begin with the topic. We know that the three basic types of gates are AND, OR, NOT gate, whereas the universal gates are NAND and NOR gate. They are called as universal gate because they can be used to represent the function of basic gates. So instead of using different gates for implementing the circuit, if we use universal gate, then it reduces the cost, it reduces the size of circuit as well as weight of the circuit. These gates are called as inclusive gates. Now there are two special type of gates, or we can say there are two hybrid gates which are nothing but the XOR and XNOR. Now let's see what is XOR gate. The XOR gate is nothing but the exclusively OR gate. The logical symbol of XOR gate is given by it is having two input A and B and one output Y. As the inputs are 2, the total number of combination becomes 4. So the truth table becomes when both the inputs are 0, the output is 0. When any one of the input is 1, the output goes high. So in case of XOR gate, from the truth table, we will come to know that when both the input having different voltage level, that means if A having 0 and B having 1, or when A having 1 or B having 0, then we will get signal as high voltage at the output. So the truth table is 0, 1, 1, 0. The equation of XOR gate can be represented by Y equals to A XOR B. In simplified form, the equation can be given as A bar B plus A B bar. So in this way, the XOR gate can be represented in form A bar B plus A B bar. Now here, in this case, when both the inputs having different voltage level, then only the output goes high. But when both the input having same voltage level, then the output goes low. And because of this reason, it is called as exclusively OR gate. Now let's see the another type of gate, that is nothing but XNOR gate. The XNOR gate is nothing but exclusively OR gate or exclusively NOR gate. The symbol of XNOR gate is given by XOR along with bubble. So A, B are the two input, output becomes Y. Here we can say XNOR is nothing but XOR plus NOT gate. So we will first draw the symbol of XOR and then bubble represents the NOT gate. Now the truth table is given by 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. We are having 4 combination. As we can see, it is inverted version of XOR, so the output or the truth table become also inverted version of the truth table of XOR. So in case of XOR, when both the inputs having different voltage level, then the output becomes 1. So here, when both the input having different voltage level, the output goes low. So therefore, for 1, 0 and 0, 1, the output goes low as 0, and for input, when they having same state, the output goes high. So when input is 0, 0 or 1, 1, then output becomes 1. When both the inputs having different voltage level, that means if A is equals to 0, B is 1, or when A is equals to 1, B is equals to 0, the output goes low. The logical equation of XNOR is represented by Y is equal to A XOR B the whole bar. So we can say A bar B plus A B bar the whole bar. So this is how the XNOR gate is represented. In this case, as when voltage levels are different, the output goes low, which is opposite version of the XOR gate, and therefore they are called as exclusively NOR gate. So XOR and XNOR are considered as hybrid gates, whereas NAND and NOR are considered as a universal gate, and NOT and OR gate are considered as a basic gate. Now let's summarize all the gates together. So first is AND gate. The symbol of AND gate is, we are having two input A, B and output go Y. The truth table is AND is nothing but Y equals to A and B. That is nothing but logical product. So output is 0, 0, 0, 1. Second is nothing but OR gate, which is nothing but logical sum. So the truth table of OR gate is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So 0, 0 output is 0, and for remaining all condition output goes high. Then third is nothing but NOT gate, which is only gate having one input. So the logical equation is A bar, and having only two state, 0, 1. So output is 1, 0, inverted version. The next gate is XOR gate. Equation is A XOR B, and truth table when inputs having two different stage, then only the output goes high, otherwise the output goes low. The next is XNOR, which is a complementary version of XOR gate. So Y is equals to A XOR B bar, and truth table is, as it is a complementary version, so when both the inputs are high, then only the output goes 1. When both the inputs having different state, the output goes low. The next two gates are NAND and NOR. As we know, NAND is the inverted version of AND gate. So the truth table becomes, truth table is now complementary version of AND gate. So 0, 0 becomes 1, 1, 0 becomes 1, 1, 0 becomes 1, and 1, 1 becomes 0. And the last is nothing but NOR gate, which is a complementary version of OR gate. So Y is equals to A plus B bar. So the truth table becomes, so here output Y equals to 1, 0, 0, 0. So this is what about the logic gates and their truth table symbol and logical equation. So I hope you understand this topic. So thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned to Ekeeda, subscribe Ekeeda. Thank you.